After you find any influence, any type of influence, people who are smoking bangi, people who are taking drugs, people who are noisemaker in class, people who don't listen in class, boys who look at teachers.
Thutha wa mutongoria wa bururi gucagura kamiti ya mwanya ya guthurima wongereku wa thina wa kimeciria, riu gikundi kimwe kia mbeu njithi ni kirutire gutonya mathukuru-ini na itanya ria kwariria mbeu njithi ino ari njira ya kumahara mathina-ini maya makiria muno mahinda-ini maya bururi ukoretwo uthingithitio ni murimu king'uki wa COVID-19.
Tuga uhoro wa mental health issues nitukoretwo na challenge especially kuri andu anini na mbeu njithi uhoro-ini wa mental health na gina munene witu wa bururi ni afomire task force ya ku look into mental health issues in this country tondu nitukoretwo tukiona andu anini aitu mbeu njithi makiita agi makinywa drugs agi makingirira maundu mangi ni undu wa challenges ici cia mental health na koguo ni turehoya atarani othe aria me bururi uyu oko no meumirie to muthe tuma nao na mokire guku volunteering kuhota kwariria andu anini nigetha tuhote kumahe mwihoko ati rucio ni rugakorwo rwagirire
makiria mari thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Mareira Kigumo gikundi giki na ritwa ria Push Initiative nikiambikite mihang'o ya kwariria na kurunga mitugo ya mbeu njithi mathukuru-ini
na tondu mbeu njithi nio mahutitio muno ni uhoro wa ikeno ni ngwenda kuga ati ni turorete handu very critical uhoro wa festivities thini wa December na ni ngwenda kwira mundu each and every youth to be responsible. You have your own future and you must shape your future to be a brighter one.
Nituraigua uru muno tukiona our fellow young people mbeu njithi ota ithwe makiita agi makinywa drugs na magathukia muturire wao ni undu wa maundu maya ma mental health na niturenda gucokeria ngatho munene wa bururi ni kurora uhoro uyu na ritho ria tha na kurora uhoro uyu we tondu very serious in this country tondu nituonete cases nyingi cia depression cia mental health issues cia suicide no niturenda tukome ngomeo na niturenda twihoi andu anini nitunyitirire hau tondu muturire ti muhuthu no the moment we have hope we have a tomorrow.
Na kumana na riboti iria koretwo igitherema cia airetu kuhanda na anake magakorwo meingiranite na unyui wa njohi njikirire mukana Jane Njau mutongoria wa mbeu njithi akiuga gikino kiambiriria ngwaci nyingi
tugukite tuta push forward initiative turehetwo ni mathina maria tukoretwo tukiona TV-ini airetu aitu anini makiheo nda na anake aitu kuingirira njohi-ini na mithemba mingi iria itendikanire ni tugukite kumariria tariu thukuru cithiite kuhingurwo ni turithia o cukuru o wadi with eno push initiative guthi tukiaragiria mbeu njithi tumwana twitu ugo maraingirira njohi ni tuguthi ona tukimaragiria umuthe twanjirie gukumarira guku Kigumo constituency na hinde wengi ni turamuita ni tugakorwo Maragwa handu hetagwo Murang'a Primary School muke twaririe ona mbeu njithi yaku
ngiribotira Mohoro ma Gikuyu TV ni rituria kone Wambui wa Icugu.